Hi, it's Kristen with LifeMoreAbundantBlog.com, and today I'm sharing with you my favorite way to make bone broth in your Instant Pot. So I just took my whole chicken out and took the meat off of it, and so I'm adding the bones back into the pot with the stock that had already kind of cooked down out of the chicken. I cut up a few carrots, a few stalks of celery, a whole onion, 2 garlic cloves just smashed, and then a few sprigs of rosemary. Added a good amount of salt and pepper and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Then I added 6 cups of water just to cover the bones in the pot. You don't want to add too much water. And then you can put the lid on and make sure that you set the valve to seal like always. And we are going to cook this for 120 minutes. And once it's done cooking, you can release the pressure manually and remove the lid. And there is our delicious bone broth, still bubbling, and it smells so good. And I like to store mine in mason jars in about 2-cup increments, and I strain mine through a stainless steel strainer and then pour it into the jars. I let it sit at room temperature until it cools off, and then I put them in the freezer. Just make sure that your mason jars are the type that are okay to be frozen. And it's as easy as that. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. I make 2 new videos every week on natural living, DIY projects, and real food recipes. Thank you so much for watching.